So they've always said the way to a man's heart is through his stomach, but to a woman's heart is through a glass of wine. So here to help us or help you select a pair of wine to bottle with your meal, manager of CPJ Wines, Oran Cato, is going to talk us through what wines to select, how you know what wines you like, what wines you don't like, what works and what doesn't work, right?
Something like that.
Sakina asked you earlier if you're a winey.
I like wines, I drink wines, I sell wines. Yeah, I'm a winey.
All right. So, scenario: I'm on my first date.
Right.
Do you bring out wine on the first date, or do you wait till date number 2?
To bring out wines before the date, to bring out wines on the date, to bring out wines anytime.
Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't make a difference. Wines, everyday drinking.
How do you know what wine you like and what you don't like?
Wine is very opinionated, so you just have to test it out. There's no real way to think about it apart from just trying it. So most Jamaicans tend to go for Moscatos. Easiest one to go to is sweet.
Why? Because it's sweet.
Because it's sweet.
So Moscato, if you're pairing that with food, what does it go with?
It tends to go with things that are more spicy, things that are hot, then it like Indian curry, for example, then it kind of tones down the heat in that.
All right, so how do you determine, for instance, you go on a date and you want to pair the wine with something to eat? Like, how do you determine, like, what goes with red wine, what goes with white wine?
So there's a general rule of thumb. Again, wines are opinionated, but the general rule of thumb is red wines go with red meat, white wines go with white meat. But the reality of it is some people just like white wine and they can just have white wine and anything. If you like red wine, you can have red wine and anything. What tends to be the new trend now is red blends. So Moscatos it's still trending, but then you have red blends. Red blends means it's not like a Cab or Merlot that is very bold, but it's not very sweet either. It's somewhere in the middle. So it's a blend of different grapes that gives you what we want to call a smooth finish.
All
so
right,
it doesn't feel as robust or bitter as they would say, but it's really dry, but it's a nice smooth feeling.
That's a lot of wine language, because you said robust and bitter and sweet.
So it's not so strong.
Okay, that's better, so people can understand. When you say Moscato, is it the name of the wine or just the brand?
Grape.
Grape.
So you can have different brands that have a Moscato. So Yellowtail has a Moscato, and there are different brands that have Moscatos, but it's a grape. So Chardonnay is a grape, Merlot is a grape, Cabernet Sauvignon is a grape. All of those are actual grapes.
All right, so me want to impress a girl now. I want to impress this young lady I'm taking out. I'm a pocket nut 2 up there, but she likes wine.
Right.
I'm a pocket nut 2 up there. What price range you think I could start out with for a starter wine? Because I know
females tend to like Moscatos, sweeter wines. So and Moscatos don't tend to be very expensive.
Okay.
Seem to price sensitive pockets, it can work.
I like that term. Price sensitive pockets. I'm going to use that.
Price sensitive pockets, it can work. And red blends, as I said, those are the new trends. Those can work as well. But if you really want to impress her, you go sparkling. You know, a little bubbly. You know, pop a bottle. But you don't have to go champagne pop a bottle.
Because I was thinking champagne.
You don't have to go champagne pop a bottle. You can go something like a prosecco, like a Mianeta prosecco, and I mean that won't break the bank or anything like that.
Yeah, I think that's what Sakina likes.
Yeah. So it's prosecco. It's nice, bubbly, fruity. Anybody likes it, sparkles.
Kind of look like her still. The kind of wine, yeah? Match your personality. Yeah. Very loud. All right, so CPJ, I know you guys have a little wine cellar. Is it?
Yeah, we have at Lady Musgrave.
Yeah.
So we have a pretty wide cross section of wines, price points, different regions, different varietals, red, white, non-alcoholic, champagnes, everything. Yeah. So we have a pretty good selection.
So like on any given day, I can walk into CPJ and get any of these wines.
And more.
And more.
And more. We have over 500 SKUs of wine.
Okay, so I know the hot season is coming up, December.
Christmas,
yeah.
yes.
What do you guys have any plans around that?
Plans we have will be rolling out soon, more in our retail spaces, and but for the summer, for the Christmas, it's really red blends and sparklings. A lot of reds go into the Christmas, normally in the summer you'd have rosés or whites, but going down into Christmas, persons tend to want more reds.
Okay.
Because of course it's not as hot, so they can drink more red wine.
All right, we're gonna play a little game. You're going to point to the wine that you give your girlfriend, your wife, and your other friend.
The other friend is your brethren?
No, no. That's not what I'm talking about. Yeah, so you have three special ladies in your life. Your girlfriend, your wife. Not at the same time. Not at the same time. Not at the same time. Because so the wine that goes to the wife would be which one here?
Well, I mean, it's a wife, so you want to go all out, you go champagne.
Wife gets champagne. If you're a girlfriend, you know, early stage of relationship.
And the other person will be a
Fiancé,
friend.
yeah.
A friend.
Yeah, a friend. A very close friend. Like a best friend. Female best friend. Yeah, that's it.
If you want to impress the girl and date, I'd go Prosecco. Still go sparkling. Still want to pop bottles.
Yeah, I know for the friend.
For the friend, you want something that is still schmexy. So I'd go rosé.
All right. So there you have it. Everyone at home. Wife, girlfriend, and the best friend. We go for a break. We'll be back.